Hello students, next experiment is to prove that carbon dioxide is produced by green plants during respiration. In previous experiment we have studied that germinating seeds release carbon dioxide on respiration. Now we have to study that green plants also release carbon dioxide when they respire. For this we have to take one bell jar. In this bell jar, we will place one potted plant, right? We have to take two conical flasks here. This conical flask is having lime water in it. And this conical flask is also having lime water in it. So, both conical flask A and B are containing lime water. Now, from here, the air will enter in flask A. Here, there is soda lime. So when air will pass through soda lime, then this soda lime will absorb carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide free air will when pass into flask A, then color of lime water will not change because this air is not having carbon dioxide in it. So this carbon dioxide free air is then passed to this plant that is present in the bell jar. This plant will respire and release carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide here releases coming from this plant. It is not coming from the air. It is already absorbed here. So it is coming only by the respiration of this plant. When this carbon dioxide passes into flask B, that is also containing lime water in it, color of lime water will become milky. So this experiment proves that carbon dioxide is produced by green plants during respiration. Next experiment is to show that heat is evolved during respiration. For this experiment, you have to take two glass thermoflask. These are the two thermoflask. In these thermoflask, we will put seeds. In flask A, we will put germinating seeds. In flask B, we will put dead seeds. We will place a cotton wool here and place a thermometer in both the thermoflask. After few hours, when we will observe it, we will see that the temperature in the thermometer that is present in thermoflask A will rise, while here there is no rise in temperature. This proves that these germinating seeds respire and releases heat, due to which the temperature is increasing. While here we have placed dead seeds, so dead seeds do not respire. Remember, whenever we are using dead seeds or boiled seeds in any experimental setup, then we have to add some antiseptic like carbolic acid in it to prevent the bacterial growth. Now the next experiment is to demonstrate anaerobic respiration. To demonstrate anaerobic respiration, we will take a test tube. In that test tube, we will place some germinating seeds. Now we will add mercury in that test tube. Okay. So now we will invert this test tube in a jar containing mercury. So these seeds will be completely surrounded by mercury. Now, after few hours, we will see that the level of mercury will fall down. Level of mercury falls down because these seeds will, when respire, they will produce carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide will push the mercury towards downward. Now we can check that whether it is carbon dioxide or not. We can check it by potassium hydroxide. When we will insert a glass tube containing potassium hydroxide inside it, then it will absorb carbon dioxide from it. When carbon dioxide will absorb, then again the level of mercury will rise. So we can set up an experiment having all the conditions similar except one as a control experiment for this. For all these experiments that we have studied, there is one control experiment in which all the conditions are similar to the experimental setup except one, the condition which we want to study.